Your website is not just your online brochure, it's your 24/7 sales machine, and if it is not generating any leads for you, then you are leaving money on the table. That is why, from optimizing user experience to loading time to creating high value content that builds trust and SEO strategies that boost visibility, every single step matters in turning your website into a lead machine. These are not just tweaks, these are growth strategies, and with the right tools, you will always know what is working. So stop treating your website like a placeholder and turn it into a lead engine. And for that, you will need to partner with an expert like 360 Digital Idea. Our details are given in the description section below. Make sure to check them out and give us a call for your first and absolutely free consultation session.